Okay, before us are two very huge numbers. So are you able to tell which one is the larger one? Stick with me and we'll find out by the end of the video. First of all, I'm going to let the number on the left be x, all right? And the number on the right be y. So 1 over x will be 1 over square root of 10 to the power of 100 minus square root of 10 to the power of 100 minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to rationalize this number. Okay, so rationalizing it, I will multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, and I will get this plus square root of 10 to the power of 100 minus 1 divided by 10 to the power of 100 minus 10 to the power of 100 minus 1. Okay, so that would simplify to just square root of 10 to the power of 100 plus square root of 10 to the power of 100 minus 1, right? Because the denominator would become just 1. Okay, so I'm going to do the same for y, right? So I'm going to take the reciprocal of y. Okay, so 1 over y is going to be 1 over this number, right? Square root 10 to the power of 100 plus 1 minus square root 10 to the power of 100. Okay, so rationalizing it, I should get square root of 10 to the power of 100 plus 1 plus square root of 10 to the power of 100. Okay, so again for the denominator, right, when it's multiplied by its conjugate, we're going to get 10 to the power of 100 plus 1 minus 10 to the power of 100. Okay, which is essentially just 1 again. Okay, so why am I finding 1 over x and 1 over y when we are comparing whether x or y is the bigger number? Okay, so we'll find out soon. Okay, so since now I already obtained the value of y in 1 over y and 1 over x in this form, okay, so let's compare, right? So 1 over x against 1 over y. Which one is bigger? Right, so if you look at this, right, 1 over x is this plus this, right? And 1 over y is also this plus this. Okay, so you realize that, both of them have this square root of 10 to the power of 100, right? So which one is bigger, right? So obviously, square root of 10 to the power of 100 plus 1 is going to be greater than square root of 10 to the power of 100 minus 1. Okay, so in other words, I can say that 1 over y is bigger than 1 over x. Now, 1 over y and 1 over x, they are both positive, right? So if they're both positive, then y should be less than x. And there we have our answer. All right. So the number on the right, which is represented by y, is actually smaller than the number on the left, represented by x. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.